Today I'm going to go over the instructions on how to get access to Siemens Support Center. Support Center is a very valuable resource. It has all the documentation and information that you would need for your Siemens software. For admins, you will start by going to sw.siemens.com and then click on the Training and Support, followed by Access Support Center. Somebody at your organization is an admin. If you're not sure who, give us a call. Go to the letters in the circle in the top right, click on Your Account, Sites and Users, and then the Users tab below that, and then click on the Invite New User button. This will display a dialog with an email. Go ahead and copy that email and send it to everyone that you want to include. This is what the email looks like. It contains the two pieces of information. New users, when you receive this, click the link that says to register. If you already have an account, go ahead and click the sign in button. Once you've either created your account or signed in, click on the letters in the top right corner and then click on your account. Once the page has loaded, go to Sites and Users and then click on the Join Site button instead of the Users button. This is where you'll enter the information. For more information, or if you have any questions, reach out to support. You can find that information at camlogic.com/contact.